everyone. My name is Jia. Today is my first. Today is my first and final presentation, so I'm very nervous.
Really? Talk to me.
My topic is about my hometown. I live in Gwangyang, South Korea. Why did I choose this topic? It is because people don't know about Gwangyang. Usually, they know more about cities like Seoul, Busan, Incheon, and Gwangju. I hope you will enjoy my presentation. Let me start with my hometown's location. Gwangyang is surrounded by Suncheon, Yeosu, and Hadong. So we should drive to another region to eat and see something and go for a trip. In spring, you can see cherry blossoms and yume. You can go for a picnic with your family, friends, lovers, co-workers, and pets. Next, we have the famous bridge. Its name is Lee Sun-shin Bridge. Lee Sun-shin is our hero in Korea, so the bridge was named after him. It connects Gwangyang and Yeosu. It was built in February. Before the bridge was built, we had to go to Suncheon before reaching Yeosu. It is the second tallest bridge in Asia, next to Japan. Finally, let's go to food. My hometown has the famous food. 불고기. 불고기 is very popular in Gwangyang. Bulgogi festival is held every year in October. Therefore, we can enjoy the entire festival. Next, there are also chestnuts and apricot, which are eaten when you have stomach ache. In my opinion, my hometown's food are more delicious than any other downtown areas. It is smaller than Seoul and any other cities. We don't have the traffic and crime, and not busy too. So we can save a lot of time. I'm inviting you to visit my hometown to feel the excitement that some people have. This is my first abroad trip, so I have experienced and learned a lot of things, which I can say necessary for my future life. I want to thank you, my tutors, friends, and all sisters for giving me a fruitful Philippine life. I will never forget everyone. Once again, thank you for listening and have a great day.